Hello everyone, today we got our parcel from itsybitsy.in and we've been waiting for a long time to get this for ourselves after the lockdown. So let me quickly show you what we got. So we got some embellishments. This is in purple passion, and these are basically die cut stickers that I got for my journal. So these are some die cut stickers. As you can see, they have glitter on them and it's very pretty. Then I got some magnets. Then I got these chipboard embellishments, so 2 of them, and MDF coasters. Also got this stencil for my decoupage projects. Last but not the least, the prettiest of the lot are these decoupage papers. I'm going to quickly show you what's inside. So we got these decoupage papers. They're in 2 variants inside the pack. So it's a pack of 4 that we got, and they are really pretty.
Stay tuned for something interesting that's coming up with these supplies. Till then, bye bye.